Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you the ways to slow down playback speed of your YouTube short video. So then to begin with this procedure, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing first, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up your YouTube application. And when you actually go ahead and open up a YouTube application, this is how it's gonna look like. Now here, go ahead and open up a short. Let's see, I'm gonna go with this one. And when you actually go ahead and open up your shorts, then you'll find no such option as to make changes with your speeding or the video speed. However, what you can do is the alternative method is just go ahead and like the video, and when you've actually liked the video, go to your history, and here you'll be able to see playlist or like video. So go ahead and play the video one more time from the like section, and over here you can go ahead and press the gear icon. Now you could go ahead and make the changes with your speeding and all that, and that's basically how you can slow down playback speed of your YouTube shorts. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.